Get 'em up, y'all. Get 'em up, y'all. This one for all y'all. Hands high, y'all. Get 'em up, y'all. Get 'em up, y'all. This one for all y'all. Hands high, y'all. Come on. Soul smashing through the boom box. Shook the world, every ghetto up rock. Rebel art, fist raising, hair bobbing. Beatboxing on beat street to beach knocking. Planet rocking. Rock, 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 rock on. Art form for the poor, hungry, broken and strong. The song of the voiceless will forever be heard. Over beat breaks on every landscape.
All hell to the check 1-2, and you can catch 1-2 at a theater near where you find me supporting rap like a Brazil. Not saying that the game's express, but I must confess there's so many mouths wanting to taste. It seems the whole human race is hooked. So now you got a lot of crooks giving y'all diluted cups of feel, but I diluted up in the real ways of back in the day.
Universal, taking this around the world. Universal, from the nerds to the valley girls. Universal, from the cornfields to the barber shops and pretty city streets and the Bama boondocks. Universal, taking this all over the globe. Universal, to places that you don't even know.